Hello, thank you for joining in. What is an anonymous function? So let's take a list which looks like so this list looks like this. It has got NAs in it. Now, if you want to take mean of each element in this list, so mean of this, mean of this, then mean of this, what we do basically, let's take one way is to use sapply. And since we want to ignore mean, we use na.rm equal to true. So this gives us 3 is mean of the first element in the list, 3.5 is the mean of second element in the list after ignoring na, and 6 is the mean of third element in the list, right? So this part, function x, is called as anonymous function. Since usually function has a name, so for example mean is a function and it has got a name, but here function x has no name and we apply this function to every element in the list, hence this is called as anonymous function. So you must have seen this anonymous function at various places. Now we can also apply the same function using sapply without using anonymous function, basically like this, right? But in this case, since we did not specify na.rm equal to true, it gives us na for the second element since there is na present in it. Now we need to add na.rm parameter as we have done in this anonymous function. Can we do it without using an anonymous function? Can we add na.rm parameter here? Yes, we can. So if we look at the documentation of sapply, you'll see that it has got these 3 dots here, right? So what it means is optional arguments to fun. Fun is the function that we are applying. So here we are applying mean function. Now it accepts 3 dots, it accepts all other additional parameters to mean. So what are additional parameters to mean? So now if we check mean, the additional parameters are this: trim, na.rm, which is by default false. So this 3 dots in sapply accepts all those additional parameters. So now if you want to add na.rm, we can do this like this. So now if you check using anonymous function, we get this value, and without using anonymous function we get this. So these both are the same, this and this both are the same. One just uses anonymous function, here we don't use anonymous function. This 3 dot additional arguments works with all the functions almost.